I'm Marianne and welcome to Wellness This Way, where we are all about helping you be healthy. If you have an outing to go to or you're just in the mood for a sweet treat, I have a gem of a recipe for you today. So stay tuned, we're going to show you how to make that recipe. The tools you'll need for this recipe are an 8x8 baking pan, a measuring cup, measuring spoons, a spoon for stirring, and a spatula. You'll also need a food processor. The ingredients you'll need for this recipe are chickpeas, peanut butter or almond butter, or any other nut butter, maple syrup, vanilla, salt, baking powder, baking soda, and chocolate chips. After you've assembled all your tools and ingredients, you'll put all the ingredients except the chocolate chips into your food processor and blend until smooth. Okay, so once the mixture is blended, add your chocolate chips, stir them into the mixture, and then add to your baking dish. After you've added the mixture to your baking dish, be sure to add additional chocolate chips to the top. The batter's so good, you might not even make it this far. So if you want the full recipe, go to our website, wellnessthisway.com. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this. Don't forget that bell icon for future notifications.